Good morning to all my viewers, subscribers, and well wishers. Hi, friends, viewers, well wishers, subscribers, and my friends, relatives, gurus. One more memorable video of our S Square Maths YouTube channel, nothing but our 250th video. So, feeling very happy with your encouragement, motivation, and following up. So far, we gone through 249 videos. Those who did not gone through it, please subscribe it. Those who did not subscribe it, and watch all the videos in your convenient time. And like if you feel good, and share to your near and dear friends. This gives me encouragement and motivation. So before going through our 250th video, so I am thankful to all the friends and well-wishers students, and please go through the videos of 50th video and 75th, 76th video, 100th video, 125th video, 150th video, 175 and 200th video, next to 25th video, etc. Like this. There are many memorable videos of my channel, so that you will get the best knowledge, idea. Every time I am going through various concepts and interesting facts right from 6th to intermediate, especially 8th, 9th, 10th and intermediate. And this channel is mostly meant for our non-routine problems and concepts. Okay, IIT JEE, mains, Olympiads, MSET, central and state government examination notifications, etc. Like this, we have gone through various videos. So please, viewers, those who did not watch, go through it and stay tuned for the next coming 250th video, and watch the video till the end for the best knowledge. So by looking to the board, a happy mole day for all the viewers, friends and well-wishers. Okay, so by seeing this, the word mole, so which plays important role for the chemistry lovers. Okay, even though it is a mathematics related, because we'll go through the video so that you can understand. So it is a mathematic related concept, but it is useful for chemistry, biochemistry aspirants, biotechnology, engineering, pharmacy, etc. So let us go through our video now. So introduction here. So already previously we gone through the prime days of mathematics in our channel, our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Those who did not gone through it, please go through it. So let us recall our prime days. Coming to here, E day. So E is a constant, Euler constant. So 2.71 so on, it is an irrational number. So that we have been discussed in our video. So in our channel, so February 7th, it is originated from the constant. The value is nothing but 2.71 so on. So 2 stands for February, and here 7 stands for our 7th day. Next, pi day. Okay, pi is an irrational number, again a constant, so 3.14 so on, the decimal value, approximate value. So March 14th, at the same time square root day. Okay, 4 4s are 16. So already we have done a video. Next, nothing but square root of 16 is 4. 5 5 2025. Next we are going to discuss in that year 2025, the square root day. Next, Pythagorean theorem day, 15/8/2017. So August 15, 2017 we have gone through it. So next, like this you are going to get. So this is the introduction part of our prime days. The next prime day video of mathematics is nothing but our mole day. So this plays crucial role in the science subjects, especially for chemistry, sometimes in the physics. So biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, pharmacy, agriculture, etc. Let us go through what do you mean by our mole concept. So here I have gone through some of the points. Avogadro constant, you know very well here, the famous scientist. Okay, Avogadro, he has gone through this constant, nothing but 6.02 into 10 power 23. Since you have 10 power 23, 23rd stands for date and the 10 stands for month. So October 23rd we are going to celebrate our Mole Day. Next, here, right, the celebration times are 6 hours 2 a.m. to 6 hours 2 p.m. because here you have the constant 6.02. So in this way, this is the celebration timings, and American date format is nothing but year 10, 23 and October 23rd. So our Indian format is nothing but date and the month. Here it is nothing but the month, the date. Here the American style in this way. Next, National Mole Day Foundation. There is a foundation named NMDF. So which has been constructed on May 15th, 1991. So next, Maurice Holler, he is the originator of our Mole Day. Actually, it was developed by the Avogadro constant, but the day has been decided by Maurice Holler, a high school chemistry teacher in the 1980s. So these are the key points and the introduction of our Mole Day, and this is the prime days of our mathematics. So like this, total key concepts. So let us go through orally some more points here. So Mole Day is an official holiday celebrated among the chemistry students and chemistry enthusiasts. Okay, chemistry aspirants, they will be eagerly celebrating this. It is observed on the October 23rd between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Next, October 23rd in the American style of writing dates, nothing but month and the date. The time and the date are derived from the Avogadro number, which is approximately 6.02 into 10 power 23. So what do you mean by mole? The general question arises, define mole. Okay, in the 8th, 9th, 10th standard and higher studies, you know very well. So it is nothing but it defines the number of particles. It may be atoms or molecules in 1 mole of substance. So 1 of 7 base SI units. So in International System of Units. So National Mole Day Foundation is celebrated on May 15th, 1991. First time they have celebrated NMDF, National Mole Day Foundation, on May 15th, 1991. Next, let us go through all the history of our Mole Day. So Mole Day is originated in an article in the Science Teacher in 1980s. So a science teacher in 1980s, Maurice Holler. Inspired by the article, science article, he has been inspired, a high school chemistry teacher, okay, from the Perry-Duchesne, Wisconsin. So he has gone through the article and inspired and selected a day called Mole Day, and we are celebrating. Many high schools around the United States, South Africa, Australia and Canada celebrate Mole Day as a way to get their students interested in chemistry with various activities often related to chemistry or moles. So many of the Western countries, they will celebrate the Mole Day, okay, with various concepts among the students in the school and colleges level. So the American Chemical Society sponsors National Chemistry Week, which occurs from Sunday to Saturday. So there is a week called here Chemistry Week, National Chemistry Week, through Saturday, during which October 23rd falls. Where the October 23rd falls? So that will be nothing but here Chemistry Week. This makes Mole Day an integral part of National Chemistry Week. Okay. So with this, National Chemistry Week will be celebrated. So in the school level also, for the science fair and the science exhibition, there is a special part of mole. So among the students, to get the interest among the chemistry and the mole concept, they will be conducting the quiz, elocution and essay writing competition. Okay. So these are the points related to Mole Day, and this is our 250th video, and this is one of the prime days of mathematics. Go through it, those who did not gone through it. And this is total key points related to Mole Day. A happy Mole Day, and once you have the total look. And once again, I am very thankful to all the viewers, friends, well-wishers, subscribers. Don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. to get the more knowledge and share to your near and dear friends, relatives, well-wishers, etc. So this is the 250th video of our S Square Maths YouTube channel, and this is your Santosh. Okay, so to get more updates, subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get more and more updates. And still I am going to give some of the images regarding Mole Day. Stay tuned. Okay, once again the happy Mole Day to all the friends, well-wishers, viewers. Okay, once you have a look. Okay, once again 250th video. Thank you for all the well-wishers. Okay. So let us go through some of the facts through the images. So Avogadro's number is nothing but 6.023 into 10 power 23. So this 10 power 23 gives you 23rd October. So just now we discussed. Next, what do you mean by Avogadro's law? 6.0221415 into 10 power 23. And let us go through what do you mean by mole here. The number of particles in a mole is nothing but the charge of 1 mole of electrons to the charge of 1 electron. So that is the definition of a mole. And a mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 power 23. It may be in the form of atoms, molecules, particles. Next, Avogadro is a scientist who proposed that two gases of equal volume at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. So this is a statement given by the Avogadro. So the famous scientist related to science. So Avogadro's number is the number of particles in 1 mole of any substance. It is used to make very large numbers easier to handle. The conversion between moles and grams depends on Avogadro's number. So these are some of the facts related to Avogadro's number. So is the number of units any substance in 1 mole. Avogadro's number is the number of units of any substance in 1 mole. It is also called Avogadro's constant. Despite the name Avogadro did not discover or describe Avogadro's number. Instead, it's named in honor of Avogadro's contribution to the field of chemistry. So he done many things related to chemistry. So on behalf of his name, in order to state that the equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules, same number of molecules. Amedeo Avogadro used the ideas of Gay-Lussac in the year 1811. So, equal volumes of all gases at same temperature and pressure which contains the same number of molecules. This is a statement given by Avogadro. And a happy Mole Day, which is celebrated on Avogadro's 6.02 into 10 power 23, nothing but October 23rd, 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. because its constant is 6.02. So like this, there are funny and interesting images related to Avogadro's number, Mole Day, and a happy Mole Day. So Mole Day study tips also you have. So like this, various facts related to Mole Day and the concept of mole. So in this way, the video has been framed to get the ideas related to the Mole Day, the concept of mole, and about the Avogadro's constant and the Avogadro number based on behalf of the scientist who made contributions related to chemistry, science, and various images. And this is one of the prime days of mathematics, So based on this, the video has been made. So don't think that it is a video related to chemistry or maths. It is purely related to our, first of all, basically prime days of mathematics. On behalf of it, we have made the video, and this video will helpful to all the viewers, aspirants of chemistry, biochemistry, microbiology and pharmacy, medical students, etc., to get the awareness and knowledge related to mole. So 2021 October 23rd, which falls on Saturday. Okay, so on that day we will celebrate the mole day. So once again, the happy mole day for all the friends, viewers, well wishers, subscribers. Those who did not subscribe my channel, please do it, and like the videos if you feel good. Share to near and dear friends so that they'll get advantage, and comment to get the idea or the suggestions to me regarding my videos. Okay, so this is your Santosh from Square Maths YouTube channel. Once again, the happy mole day. Thank you. Signing out.